Hello, my name is Yanis Andreu, and today we're going to talk about how appraisers can affect the sale of a house or a townhouse or an apartment. Let's look at how much of an impact they have. First of all, you should keep in mind that appraisers look at the sales that took place in the last 90 days because they are concerned about being conservative and realistic about what is happening in the current real estate market, and they also focus as much as they can in the last 30 to 45 days. This is what I can tell you as an ex-appraiser. Let's assume that we have a contract price for the sale of a detached home, let's say in Coquitlam of 1.2 million, and that the appraised value came at 1,100,000, 100,000 under the agreed upon purchase and sale contract. Let's look at the results of a lower value that may take place. Number one, the contract may need to be renegotiated. Based on that, actually will have to be renegotiated for sure, because the purchaser wouldn't like to pay more than the appraised value. Number two, the lender may decline the property if the loan to value exceeds a certain level, or if the property has deficiencies that the appraiser has noted within the appraisal. Cracked foundation, deficient roof, plumbing and electrical that need to have significant renovations may scare away a prime lender or a B lender, and is the reason I have seen deals fall through for my own clients that had to actually look for a different property that was in better condition. Three, a lender may amend the interest rate based on the loan to value. So if a property comes in at a much higher loan to value, depending on metrics the lenders use, they may amend the interest rate to a higher rate. And number four, the purchaser may withdraw the offer if the value that they expected isn't there, regardless of any negotiations, because they feel that the investment is no longer a good investment as an owner or to buy property or as a rental. So how do you protect yourself when you work with an appraiser? First of all, please be nice to them, because they're human beings, and the nicer you are to them, the more predisposed they will be to actually give you a fair value. Number two, make sure that your house is very tidy. The tidier a home is, the higher the value an appraisal will be. And number three, be cooperative, answer the questions in a nice and cordial manner to the appraiser, and believe me, they will give you the best possible and most realistic value they can on the value of your home. If you have any question on this analysis, feel free to give me a call or send me a text message. Thank you and have a wonderful day.